Hello everyone, hello. And he secured a 3-star. I'm really sorry because the stream is a little bit delayed, so we missed that first attack. So now we are going with the second attack, and it's Dame Bakrao from Khasi against Rear. He's going in with the Twin Charge Hybrid, deploying that Twin Charge from the left side of the base, and he's taking his time here. He's taking his time here now, and he's dropping that bridge. Okay, that queen is gonna take her time there, clearing all those units and defensive units there. And now he's deploying his ping for funneling on the bottom side of the base. So Dame Bakhao here is looking strong, but can he get a 3-star? Because KHYRWIT has secured a 3-star in their first attack, but we don't know for sure. We just have to wait and watch. So he might be deploying those hybrids from 5 or 6 o'clock, which is very risky because the troops will go round and round. Especially for the Hawks, they might go round and round the base. So yeah, finally he deployed his hybrid from 5 o'clock, and this is going to be a challenge attack for Dame Bakrao. They are going into the core there, and they have faced the queen. The enemy queen is taking down the Hawks one by one, but the healing spell saved those Hawks, and the queen is down. Those healers are switching to the miners. Okay, this might going to be a 3-star as well. Dame Bakrao is looking strong here as well, but will he secure that 3-star? No, this might be only a 2-star. So yeah, this is going to be a 2-star, 85%, I guess, 85%. So they will be short on stars. Khasi is short on stars because KHYRWIT already secured a 3-star. We will go with the replay attack by KHYRWIT clan on their first attack, because we missed their first attack. So let's go and jump right into the replay. Let's watch the replay, and I will be fast forward. Okay, he's using this Falcon, I guess. Falcon, yeah, Falcon attack. Thanks to Albinus Mars Aim for introducing me the name, for letting me know the name of this strategy. Okay, he's dropping that Queen Charge on the bottom side of the base. Okay, let's see the attack now. Ray from KHYRWIT going against Damir Bakrao with Pekka Witches. Oh my god. Mass Pekka attack going in by Ray. Okay, they are going right into the core. Oh, the town hall is down, and finally all those Tesla farms will be down as well, and they are going to, and he took down the enemy queen and dropping that jumping spell right in the bottom end. Oh, OP attack from Ray, but will he get that 3-star? Here's going to be a challenge for Ray, and let's hope he'll get that 3-star. That Pekka is beating through that wall instead of jumping from that jumping spell. I don't see this going to be a 3-star, but we'll see later. Okay, 84%, 85, 87, 88, wow, 89, 90, 91, 92. Wow. They are pretty much on the lead here. KHYRWIT, they are pretty much on the lead. Good night. They are pretty much on the lead here, KHYRWIT clan. How much percentage will they get? Maybe 92 or 93? 94, wow. 95. Okay, 95 it is. 95% 2-star for KHYRWIT. Wow. Let's jump right into the first attack going by KHYRWIT clan. We'll just fast forward the attack because we don't want to miss any live attack. So I'm just going to cover this up. I'm fast forwarding 2 times. So he's dropping that queen charge on the bottom side of the base and using that king to clear the funnel, and finally dropping that golem and wall breakers and the bowlers. Finally the funnel has been cleared and he's dropping those troops, right? So he's dropping that rage and layering that CC troops. The troops are going to go inside the core there or not. Okay, nice jumping spell there. Wow. OP attack from Shelly. First attack from KHYRWIT clan with this Falcon attack. Falcon attack is OP in Town Hall 10. Securing that 3-star in this attack. Shelly is looking strong in his first attack, finally putting his team on the winning side. Shelly is pretty good in attacking Falcon strategy. 3-star from Shelly. First attack from KHYRWIT clan. They have finished 2 attacks and secured 5 stars. And Khasi have finished 1 attack and secured 2 stars. They have to get a 3-star in their next attacks if they want to if they want to equalize with KHYRWIT, right? But we don't know for sure whether. Okay, now Khasi is going in with their second attack. Dr. Zector attacking against Candy mid. What type of Candy? We'll see about that later. what type of candy. Okay. If candy was 3-star, then it is what I don't know what kind of candy it is. Please let me know in the comment section down below. And for those of you who are watching the live stream, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and please share to others as well. Like the stream and subscribe to my channel. And if you are generous enough, you can also donate me through Google Pay, and the information is provided in the description, in the live stream description down below. So please, if you are generous enough, you can donate me through Google Pay. Thank you so much, everyone. So let's jump again to the attack. Dr. Zector going against Candy with these hybrid attacks, using that green charge to clear the funnel and taking down that CC troops there. Okay, he's taking his time now because he needs that funnel, right? So because if he doesn't funnel that, those hybrids might go all the way into the base, round and round, round and round. So you have to make sure that he clear the funnel, but it doesn't seem like it's a good funneling. So he's dropping his hybrid from this what, 7 o'clock, right? 7-8 o'clock. So the hybrids are taking down the queen, enemy queen, and the enemy king is still standing up, dropping that healing for the hybrid. And will this going to be a 2-star? We'll see about that. Is it going to be a 2-star? I don't know. I don't think so, because all those hawks are being attacked by those skellies in the core there, and the town hall is being left out because all the miners are going round and round the base. They are not attacking the town hall, right? Only the hawks are going into the core. The miners are going all the way around to the base. So this is a pretty, this attack puts Khasi in a very bad spot now. They are down with 2 stars. KHYRWIT is on the lead with 2 stars. KHYRWIT on the lead with 2 stars. Right? Both the clans have finished 2 attacks each, and KHYRWIT has secured 5 stars, and Khasi has secured 3 stars. Let's jump into the recap from yesterday's match, that is final day 1, right? Yesterday's match was a pretty good match. The stars, the match is a tight stars, but only the percentage destruction difference, right? But KHYRWIT won yesterday's match, day 1. So today Khasi have to fight for their survival, right? So, but it doesn't seem like they are having a chance here because of those, because of that 3-star from KHYRWIT and a 1-star of their own. Wow. Candy from KHYRWIT clan going against Flawless Buck with the same attack strategy, the one that they get a 3-star, which is called a Falcon attack, right? So he's taking his time, dropping the same way as he dropped, as Shelly dropped, right? He's dropping his queen charge from the bottom base and using that funneling king, and dropping that wall breakers, and he will drop the bowlers and all, and then he will use that jump spell, and then dropping those Valkyries. Okay, and Candy is going the same way Shelly did, right? So this is going to be a 3-star as well, but those healers have been attacked by the air defense. Are they going to survive? This might be an internet problem from the attacker. He might lost his connection. He might have lost his connection. Okay, he's connecting. So now he's gonna drop Viperies. Yes. The same way they attack, right? Okay, one attack has been gone down by Khasi as well now. One life attack. So we have to finish this first and then we'll jump straight ahead into the attack from Khasi. If KHYRWIT wins today's match, then the tournament is over, right? The season 1 is over. Because there won't be any match 3. There won't be any day 3. Because the final is a double elimination match. So this is going to be a 3-star as well for KHYRWIT. Why are they using the same base? 2 players with the same base. Wow, 2 players with the same base. Okay, Khasi, they are not having any chance now. OP attack from KHYRWIT. Now Sup is going against Shelly with a dragon attack. 1-star attack. Wow. Khasi are doing their best yesterday's match, but not today. Today they are very down in stars. They are very down in stars. Wow. Wow, 1-star attack again. Oh, they are on a streak. 1-star streak. Oh my god, KHYRWIT is on the lead with 4 stars now. Khasi isn't going anywhere now. They have to secure the 3 stars in all their attacks. They have only 2 attacks left and they have to secure a 3-star, right? 3-star, which is a 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, even if they get a 3-star, it's very hard for them to win this match. Even if Khasi gets a 3-star in both their attacks, KHYRWIT needs to get a 1-star attack in their 2 attacks, right? So that Khasi will win. But getting a 1-star from KHYRWIT clan, it's impossible because they have secured 2 3-stars. Now Dub is going against KHYRWIT clan with their 4th attack, with the Mass Hawk attack. Is this the same base that they are using yesterday? I think so. I've seen this base yesterday. Khasi, they have used the same base. Why are they using the same base? Wow. If you guys are watching the stream, please let me know that you are watching, because I don't know if you are watching. No one is coming into the live chat, right? So please let me know. Wow, those hawks with the giant bomb. Wow. Okay, okay. This might go into a 3-star as well. Those hawks, so many hawks are still standing. And only those Tesla farms might be a problem here. Those Tesla farms might be a problem. They are going to take down all the hawks, right? And he still have his what, jumping? Oh, I thought it's a skeleton spell, but it's a poison spell. Okay. Wow, he took down that single target inferno. KHYRWIT finally, they are going to win this match for sure. And there won't be any day 3 match. This will go right in about 95. Wow, KHYRWIT is looking strong here with their 2-star in their 4th attack. KHYRWIT is down in stars now. 2-star 96%. Khasi is going in with their 4th attack. Again, 1-star attack from Khasi. Wow, Agent P going against Jeff. 1-star attack. Oh my. Why? What is happening with this clan? Wow. Why? Oh my. %91, 92, 94, 94%. 1-star 94%. Wow, 10/5. What happened to Khasi clan today? Yesterday they played very well. Yesterday's match was a tight stars, but only difference in percentage destruction. But today they are down with 5 stars. Oi, hey, Vijay Bora. Thank you so much for those sweet words and sweet sentence. Thank you so much for that. Thank you so much, bro. Thank you so much for those comments. I don't care what you guys are commenting. I don't care, bro. I don't care. Dakhar le. Ka dakhar ni toxic but. Okay, both the clans have only 1 attack each. Let's just watch where did he go wrong in this attack. It might be because from the sweeper. It might be from the sweeper, I guess. For sure, the sweepers. The sweepers There's a problem here, right? That's why he got that 1 star. The sweeper is going to blow each and everything away from the base, from the core. Wow. Both their clans have only 1 attack each. Let's see how many stars. Good internet connection. It sucks. I wish I have a strong Wi-Fi instead of this mobile data. It sucks. Mobile data sucks. Okay. Now KHYRWIT with their 5th attack. Right. Jeff going against Agent P. Oh bhai. Deploying that king on the top side of the base. And that queen is taking so much value. Wow. Only 1 attack left. Only 1 attack left. I have to host tournaments and everything, so I just and hope from are they going to use their 5th attack? Are they just going to for that? Minutes left until the match ends. Oi do, kumno pilong bro do, kumno pilong. Ka stream ka flop la, that la internet nga. Flop la internet. Khasi, they are why they are doing this? They are not using their last attack. Okay, congratulations to KHYRWIT clan for winning the finals of Meghalaya Gaming Community Clash Cup Season 1 Town Hall 10 5 versus 5. Congratulations again to KHYRWIT, and once again thank you so much for everyone. Thank you so much to everyone for participating in this Clash Cup of MGC. Thank you so much. Okay, and we are hosting another tournament for Town Hall 11's 5v5 MGC Clash Cup Season 2. Um, we already, we already released a registration form. Everything is free. Registration is free, and we will be providing a cash prize for the winner, only to the winner. And all the informations are being provided in Sun Goku Facebook page and Meghalaya Gaming Community Instagram profile. You can either check in Instagram or Facebook, and you can also join our Discord server. The link is provided in the description down below. You can join our server and register your team, right? Take part in MGC Clash Cup. We still have season 2, season 3, season 4, which is Town Hall 11, 12, and 13. Okay, everything is free. Registration is free. We don't charge money for registration. So take this chance and register your team. Okay, it will be fun, guys. Thank you so much, everyone, for participating in this tournament. We'll see you back again in season 2, which is on January. And Merry Christmas, everyone, and advance New Year to everyone. Enjoy. 2021 is going to be awesome. Okay, all the best, guys, everyone. So before we finish the stream, I'll go with my own attack in Legends League. Okay, let me screenshot the result first. Okay, I'll screenshot it later. We are going live in 3, 2, 1, go. This base, okay, let's just hope I get a 3-star in this base. Okay. And then green healers. Wall breaker, and then rage, poison, wall breaker again. Queen, take down that Electro Dragon. Why are they using that Electro Dragon in their defense? Electro Dragon is not good for defense. Freeze that Inferno. Freeze that Inferno again. Rage that Queen. Okay. Queen is going for that Inferno. Using that King there. Now I'm going with the balloons. Okay. Using those. And then that. And that. Wow. No, 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 why? Oh no, oh no, 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 no. No, 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 no. I forgot to use that. Grand Warden, why? Okay, Queen, take down. Oh no, Warden. Oh yes, Queen took down. Cut down all. OP Queen. OP. Wow, I forgot to use that gun Warden balloons. I let all the balloons die. Wow. Please be at 90 or 80. Please be at 80%, 80%, 80%, please. Oh no, not an 80%. 79%. Oh, sorry everyone for not getting that 3-star. Sorry. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching the stream. See you again soon, and it will be on New Year's Eve. Thank you so much everyone for watching the stream. Thank you so much everyone. Okay, bye bye, peace.